Hello dear students and welcome to English for Palestine. Today we will start with reading plus Romeo and Juliet extract 4. Before we start reading the extracts, we are going to have a look at the learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to answer questions about extract 4, identify some quotations from extract 4. Okay, now this is the first quotation. I'm just going to tell you to read this quotation for 2 minutes and then you have to answer these 3 questions. The first question is, who is the speaker? Question number 2, who is the addressee? And number 3, why doesn't the speaker want to fight? Okay, now start reading and we'll check your answers later. Very good. Now let's check your answers. Who is the speaker? And the speaker is Romeo. Very good. Who is the addressee? Tybalt. Excellent job, everyone. Why doesn't the speaker want to fight? Very good. Romeo has married Juliet secretly, and this means that Tybalt is now his cousin-in-law. Very good. Let's move to the second quotation. Also, I'll give you 2 minutes to read it and then answer these questions. Who is the speaker? Who is the addressee? And finally, how does the speaker connect his love for Juliet with the present incident? Okay, let's check your answers. Who is the speaker? Romeo. Very good. And who is the addressee? Romeo is talking to himself, and you will notice this kind of action. One of the characters talks to him or herself. So Romeo is talking to himself. How does the speaker connect his love for Juliet with the present incident? Yes, exactly. Romeo says that Juliet's love has softened his heart and made him hate fighting. All right, now let's move to number 3. This is a very short line, so I'm going to read it for you. I can't tell you everything, my lord. This man who was killed by young Romeo killed brave Mercutio. So, these questions, or 5 questions, will be on this short line. Who is the speaker? Whom does my lord refer to? Whom does this man refer to? Who killed Mercutio? And who killed Tybalt? Okay, let's check the answers. Who is the speaker? Benvolio. Whom does my lord refer to? Prince Aeschylus. Whom does this man refer to? It refers to Tybalt. Who killed Mercutio? Tybalt. And who killed Tybalt? Romeo. Very good, everyone. Now let's move to the next quotation. Okay, quotation 4. Now, this quotation is a longer one, so I need you to read it silently in order to get into these 4 questions. So the first question is, who is the speaker? Who is the addressee? And of course, you know who is the addressee, to whom the speaker was talking. And number 3, what does the underlined phrase refer to? And whom does he refer to? Okay, so I'll give you 2 minutes to read these lines in order to answer the questions. Very good. Now, who is the speaker? Prince Aeschylus. Excellent. And who is the addressee? The Montagues and the Capulets. What does the underlined phrase refer to? It refers to Mercutio. And the last one, whom does he refer to? It refers to Romeo. Very good. Now let's move to our second part of questions. Now, question 2, of course, it's going to be answered the following questions about extract 4. The first question, why does Romeo describe this day as black? Yes. Romeo has lost his friend Mercutio, and he's about to avenge his death by killing his cousin-in-law, Tybalt. Yes, it is. Very good. Now, why did Romeo kill Tybalt? To avenge Mercutio's death. Excellent, everyone. How does Romeo connect his love for Juliet with the present incident? Yes, Romeo says that Juliet's love has softened his heart and made him hate fighting. Let's move to the next part. Number 3, why doesn't Prince Aeschylus kill Romeo as he previously warned him? If you remember, he warned people who start fight in the streets of Verona by the punishment of death. So why didn't he kill Romeo for that? We'll see the answer. Yes, because Romeo killed Tybalt, who killed Mercutio, and Mercutio was Romeo's friend. Romeo avenged his friend's death by killing Tybalt. Yes, it is. Thank you very much. Number 4, why does Prince Aeschylus have interest in the fight between the two families? Because Mercutio, who is from the prince's family, died in the fighting. So we know now that Mercutio is related to Prince Aeschylus. Number 5, why does the Lady Capulet want Romeo to be killed? Yes, because Romeo killed Tybalt, who is Lady Capulet's nephew. Excellent job, everyone. Now let's move to our third part. Question number 3, which is about choosing the correct answer. Number 1, Mercutio thinks that Tybalt has insulted, yes, Romeo. Very good. Number 2, Romeo doesn't want to fight because Tybalt's name is to him. Tybalt's name is what? Important. Very good. Number 3, Prince Aeschylus punishes Romeo by exile. Excellent. Let's move to the next part. Number 4, who demands the death of Romeo? Lady Capulet. Very good. Number 5, does Mercutio express his regret about involving in the fight between the Montagues and the Capulets before passing away? Yes, he does. Okay? Very good. Now, we are here to our final part, which is the task that you have to do at home. Of course, the first one, you have a quotation, and we have some questions in order to answer them. And then also we have another question. We have to answer another quotation, and there are questions for it to answer them. Okay? Now, thank you very much for watching, and we have to see you very soon. Goodbye.